Hello students, this is your 10th lecture of Social Studies, unit number 1, lesson number 2. In lecture number 9, we done first half reading of lesson number 2 and today we do next half reading of lesson number 2. Now we start reading. Open your page number 10, climate change. Climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of a region or on a global scale. From the mid to late 20th century onward, the increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperature on Earth. The impact of climate change is becoming evident around the world. The use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Agriculture and deforestation and the manufacture of cement, chemicals and metals are also contributing to the increase in greenhouse gases. The greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. Some of the sunlight is captured as heat on Earth and some of it goes back towards space. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Now I explain greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and rest is observed and radiated by greenhouse gases. The observed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. Open your next page, page number 11. Effect of greenhouse gases on climate. Changing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to a warming or cooling of the climate system. An increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increase the greenhouse effect, which is creating global warming and bringing about climate change. Burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal, and natural gas produce carbon dioxide. Almost all types of transport run on petrol. Coal is used as an energy resource in power plants. Similarly, factories and mills that run on fossil fuels release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Deforestation. Another reason for the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is that the number of forests on Earth is decreasing. More and more trees are being cut down to make space for agriculture, houses and factories. Trees act as the lungs of the Earth. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. Open your next page, page number 12. Ways you can help reduce the effects of climate change. Number 1. Be energy efficient. Use less electricity. Turn off lights when nobody is in the room. Use energy efficient lighting. Number 2. Save water by turning off taps when not in use. Number 3. Completely turn off electrical appliances such as computers and television when they are not in use. Number 4. Plant more trees because trees absorb carbon dioxide. Number 5. Walk or use a bicycle rather than traveling in vehicles whenever you can. Number 5. Walk or use a bicycle rather than traveling in vehicles whenever you can. Number 6. Dry clothes under the sun instead of using a clothes dryer. If you want to dry your clothes, then use a natural resource instead of using a clothes dryer. Number 7. Recycle paper, metal, glass and some plastic can be recycled. Do not just bin it. Buy less plastic when photocopying or printing. Use both sides of paper. Number 8. Wash clothes in cold or warm, not hot water. Use the minimum amount of detergent for washing, as more detergent means more rising. Number 9. Be aware of what happened to your rubbish. Keep stuff out of landfill sites. Kitchen and garden waste can be compost recycled. Now your lecture is over.